Welcome to our Marketing Ideas Generator tool, the comprehensive system that provides you strategic customer acquisition architecture, audience segmentation, business stage alignment, pirate funnel framework, channel strategy matrix, and idea development framework. This isn't another generic idea generator. It's a strategic system that creates 144 customized marketing ideas, perfectly aligned with your business stage, audience segments, and brand personality. Let's see how strategic marketing actually works. Step 1. Audience segmentation. First, we identify your 3 critical audience segments through strategic classification. Super consumer identification. Your early adopters and super fans who drive initial momentum and provide validation. Image builder identification. Influencers and opinion leaders who shape market perceptions and create social proof. Volume builder identification. Mass market adopters who generate scalable revenue and sustainable growth. Most marketing fails because it treats all customers the same. Strategic segmentation ensures your messages resonate with the right people at the right stage, maximizing conversion rates and minimizing wasted spend. Step 2. Business stage alignment. Next, we assess your business stage to align marketing priorities with growth realities. Are you in launch, growth, or optimization phase? Each stage requires fundamentally different marketing approaches. Launch focuses on validation and early adopters. Growth targets scalable acquisition. Optimization maximizes lifetime value and efficiency. Using growth stage tactics during launch wastes resources, while launch tactics during optimization limit scale. Strategic alignment ensures maximum ROI for your current reality. Step 3. Pirate funnel framework. Now we apply the pirate funnel framework, the systematic customer journey that drives sustainable growth. Awareness stage, getting discovered by your ideal customers. Acquisition stage, converting visitors into leads. Activation stage, creating first positive experience. Retention stage, keeping customers engaged long-term. Revenue stage, driving purchases and upgrades. Referral stage, generating word-of-mouth growth. Random marketing activities create leaky funnels. This systematic approach ensures every marketing dollar moves customers through your growth engine rather than creating scattered touchpoints that don't convert. Step 4. Channel strategy matrix. Here's where strategy becomes systematic. Our channel strategy matrix creates complete marketing coverage. Physical marketing channels, both paid physical strategies and organic physical strategies, each with primary and secondary channel, delivering 5 targeted ideas each. Digital marketing channels, both paid digital strategies and organic digital strategies, each with primary and secondary channel, delivering 5 targeted ideas each. Why comprehensive coverage matters? Single channel marketing creates vulnerability and limits growth. This matrix ensures multiple touchpoints working together to dominate your market through diversified strategic presence. Based on business stage selected, business details, brand personality, and audience segment, we show what are the recommended channel options by showing recommended badge on top right. Step 5. Idea Development Framework. Every idea includes complete implementation architecture through our 8-component framework. Idea description, preparation time, execution steps, required resources, real-world example, call to action, follow-up strategy, and required prompts. Great ideas fail with poor execution. Some are the pros. This comprehensive approach transforms concepts into actionable business growth while ensuring consistent implementation quality. Our fit analysis graph ensures every marketing idea aligns with your strategic foundation through critical scores. Brand archetype fit score, how well the idea aligns with your brand personality and authentic voice. Funnel stage fit score, how effectively the idea serves the specific pirate stage objectives. Platform fit score, how well the idea leverages your chosen channel's unique strengths. User persona fit score, how well the idea resonates with your target audience segment. Let's now look into another useful feature of sharing and exporting. Generate password-protected links for each pirate funnel category, along with in-depth analysis of all 3 audience categories that you can share with team members, investors, or consultants while maintaining confidentiality. Export professional documentation in PDF format. You've experienced the transformation from random marketing tactics to strategic customer acquisition architecture. Step 1. Identified your critical audience segments for targeted messaging. Step 2. Align marketing priorities with your business growth stage. Step 3. Applied systematic pirate funnel for sustainable growth. Step 4. Created comprehensive channel strategy with 144 customized ideas. Step 5. Developed complete implementation frameworks for execution success. Your marketing is now ready to drive systematic growth through strategic alignment, comprehensive coverage, and executable frameworks with sustainable competitive advantage.